Hi everyone, welcome back to Karsyn's Art Show. Okay guys, today on Karsyn's Art Show, we are going to build an ice cream cone. So first for our ice cream cone, we're going to make a tiny dot. You can make it a little bigger. Then we're going to make a slant up, and the slant up again, but on the other side. So we're going to make some bumps. So now we're going to make ice cream. Well, that was part of our ice cream. It's just the drops that's falling down. So now we're going to make a big mountain, but with not a point. Now, this is going to get a little tricky for the cone. We're going to make a line, and then we're going to make another one right next to it. Then we're going to do another one until you're done. Now we're going to do the same thing but on the other side. Almost done. Okay, we finished the cone. Now we're going to make the ice cream's face. So we're going to make a circle and then another one to present the eyes. Now we're going to make the two circles in the eye, and then after that we do it on each eye. We're just going to color the rest in. Almost done. One more eye. There. Now we're going to make a little mouth. Now we're going to make it like have chubby cheeks. Like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Chubby cheeks. Now we're going to make with a bow and a flower clip on. So to do the bow, and now we're going to make like a sideways triangle. Slant up and then down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. My bow looks kind of wide. Now we're going to make the flower clip. And make a little flower. Next we're going to make the little thing that, it's like a clip that you like put in your hair. It doesn't have a spine. It's like a little clip that you put in your hair, and there's like a line right there. So we're going to make that little line, making like a wide, huge line. Now we're going to make a dot in the middle. Then we're going to make the little bumps that the flower has. There. Now it's time to color. So we're going to use the pink, like the crayon one, but not the sparkly one. So we're going to make the cheek one, and we're going to make a little line above it so we don't like get out of the lines into the ice cream. And then color this in. Then do the same thing on the other side. Now, we are, for this, we're going to use the bow to color. Like, color this one, and then right here too. Now we're going to now it has some like two sprinkles. It's gonna have some 3 sprinkles, one on the top, one on the bottom, and one on this side. Right there. Now we're gonna use this. Now we're gonna use the sparkly pink and like make some this is gonna be the inside of this flower. Inside of the flower. And it has some sprinkles too. Okay, now we're gonna use the sparkly. We're gonna use the sparkly yellow for like the inside of this bow, the little button, and we're gonna color the whole cone too. Almost done. Okay. Now it's gonna have some sprinkles too. There's gonna be a lot of yellow on here. Okay. Now it's time for the red. We're going to color in the we're gonna color in the mouth. So we're gonna do the same thing we do with the cheeks, but it's gonna be the mouth. We're gonna make a line so we don't run into the ice cream. Then color the rest in, but not on the top. You look so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna do the petals of the flower. Mine has really sharp, so I bet I'm gonna stay in the lines a lot. Like have a sharp tip. Okay. Now we're going to, this is going to be our last color. Now we're going to just make some sprinkles with them. I want to actually add like one more color of sprinkles. I want to use like a sparkly orange colors. Or sparkly green. Let's do sparkly green. Since we don't have it on any of our papers yet. One right there, one right here, and one right there. This is our ice cream cone. I hope you guys had so much fun. Leave it in the comments to see what I draw next. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.